Hey, this is Frank from Camp Kayak Adventures. It is the May 2-4 long weekend, and we're heading out camping. First camping trip for the 2022 season. It's at Balsam Lake Provincial Park. Weather is it's going to be hit and miss this weekend. We'll have to wait and see how it goes. So let's get the trailer hooked up and let's get on the road.
I feel so alive as I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way.
The hoses at the filling station and the dump station were not threaded. This seems to be a common thing now at Ontario provincial parks. So we're at our site 448. Starting to get a little dark and looks like it's cloudy, and we might get the rain soon. Maybe in about an hour. We're still setting up. A little muddy on the side of our site, but it's behind the trailer. This is the canoe launch area, which is at the Ash and Oak campground. Personally, I would much rather just launch my kayak off the beach or the boat launch. Secondary trailer filling station is available also in parking lot 10. So it's Sunday morning, it's raining. We're just out taking some video, taking a quick look around. We didn't really do too much this weekend. The weather hasn't been the greatest. Kasper's been kind of hit and miss. So it's kind of been more of a relaxing weekend. We're probably gonna leave today. It looks like it's gonna rain for most of the morning and the afternoon. But we're just down on the beach beside the boat rentals. And there's nobody down here. I think a lot of people are packing up themselves too. We didn't get the storm this weekend that everyone else seemed to have got. I know Bon Echo got hit pretty hard. There was a few other parks, but we just got about maybe 10 minutes of rain and no wind. So that worked out good for us. But we did leave our trailer probably for about 10 minutes when it looked like the storm was at its peak. And you know, we don't like to sit around the trailer, you know, trees coming down and stuff. So, but anyway, so we're just gonna take a look around, walk around a little bit, check out the park, and then probably start packing up and heading home.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door.
The rental office actually is closed now. It hasn't opened yet for the season. So if you're coming here right now to rent anything, you basically got to go at the front office where the permits are, and you can rent from there.
With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games.
So before leaving the park, we did a little bit of the lookout trail. It's a 2.5 kilometer loop. There's also 3 other trails in Balsam Lake Provincial Park. There's Laurie's Link, which is a 2.7 kilometer linear trail. There's the Plantation Trail, which is a 2.4 kilometer lower loop, or the 3.6 kilometer upper loop. There's also the Lakeshore Trail, which is a 1 kilometer walking and a bike path.